Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out in June's Journey step by step. If you are on June's Journey and want to switch accounts or simply log out safely, then here's how you can easily do it without losing progress. First of all, launch open June's Journey game on your device. Make sure that your progress is saved before logging out. If you haven't, you can go ahead and log in using your Facebook or your Google accounts. After you are done with logging in, from the home screen of June's Journey, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Now, click on the social button under settings menu and click on edit connections. On the next page, tap on logout and click on logout once again to confirm the action. Right after you do that, you will be able to log out of June's Journey safely and quickly. Always make sure that your progress is saved through a linked account before signing out, so you never lose your hard-earned points and items. By following this step, you can easily log out of your June's Journey app on your smartphone or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.